called variables. Variables represent numbers.
Oh, I get it. I get it.
And we're trying to figure out what that is. It's the missing piece of the structure. We want to find out. And the way we do that is to get that variable by itself.
So we need something. So let me get this straight. These are the unknowns that we have to figure out, and this is the total.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some mathematics to help figure this out. Right? So first thing we can do is do what it says. Negative 3 is being multiplied by this. So it's negative 3 times.
So negative 3 times 4 will be 1.
No, it's times. Remember multiplication. Remember? 3 times 4 is what?
12.
So you gotta get the negative sign.
So 12. So it's negative 12.
Again, multiply. The same thing you did. I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you. You gotta listen to me when I'm talking. 3 times 4 was 12. That was true. And this negative number times a positive number ended up becoming a negative. Okay.
So that means negative plus a positive times a positive 3 will be a negative 9.
That's right. So right. Minus 9 right next to it. There you go. Okay. The same thing over
Write
here.
your 9 properly.
Now we just have to add 4.
No, that's not what we're going to do. Again, listen to what I'm trying to tell you. You're jumping ahead without all the information. Let's get the information first. Okay? We're not adding this 4 with this 4. Why? Look at what happened over here. You see how this number is right next to the parentheses? Do you see that? Okay? What did we do? Did we add or did we multiply?
We multiply.
Did you see this 4 next to that parentheses? So what are we going to do?
We gotta. So if we did the positive 4, meaning that we can times this with 6.
That's right.
Meaning giving us a positive 24.
That's right. So right there, right next to it, plus 24. Okay, the same thing with the next part.
The positive 4 times 1 will be
Right. Plus 4. Plus. Yes, right.
now since we have the part total, we can subtract this for all of this.
What do you mean?
So the easiest thing that we can get to is subtracting these negative ones, right?
Okay, so again, you're missing some information. I wish you would ask me questions before you jump ahead like that. Like you said, you didn't see algebra before, so do you know what to do?
Well,
Yes or no?
not really.
No. So what do you do when you don't know something? Like when you're in class and the
I
teacher...
ask.
Oh, so ask.
So one was supposed to do.
There it is. That's what I'm here for. Just ask me. Okay, so we have this negative 12x, and we have a 24x. You see how they're like terms? Okay, so with like terms, we can combine them. Right? Like, slow down. Like it. So we have negative 12x plus 24x. Okay. So looking at it from left to right, negative 12 plus 24. That's how you combine. What is negative 12 plus 24?
So if it was a negative 12 plus 24, I would think of subtracting.
Okay, that's fine.
So it would be 12.
That's right. So write 12x underneath. 12x. 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 There you go. Now the other two numbers we have, negative 9 plus 4. Those are like terms too. They're slow down. They're just numbers. So we're going to do the same thing we just did. We're going to get it from left to right. Negative 9 plus 4.
So negative 9 plus 4 is 5.
Not 5. Close.
So this is the same thing.
Right, now look at the difference. You're on the right track. You're right about that. But look, which one is bigger in terms of size?
Oh, I get it. So we have to add this try to make this.
No, you're not making anything bigger. Do what you did before, but without asking the question, which one is bigger in terms of cost? 24 is big. 24 is negative 12, right? The answer was positive because 24 is a lot bigger than negative. Okay? Now with these two, slow down. Negative 9 plus 4. This one is a lot bigger in terms of the negative side. So that is the answer. Negative. There it is. Not 5, negative 5. They're not the same numbers. Okay? Positive 5 and negative 5 are not the same thing. So we have to be different. Right here. Minus 5. Right here. Next to the 12. Minus 5. Equals. Right. Okay. Now we got more work.
I don't get it, but
So ask me, what don't you get?
I just don't get it because how would these equal to 43?
Let's find out. We're not done. We have more work. Remember I said the goal? What was the goal? What were we trying to do?
We're trying to find the unknown.
How? What did I say was the process to do? What did we had to do to figure it out?
We had to use light tools.
Well, we combined like two. What I told you to do was get x, y, self. That's what we're trying to do.
And
Okay?
we don't have to touch, right?
Just by itself. Okay? So it's x by itself. It is alone. Nothing around it. No. So we're not done yet. Once we get that, it is by itself, then we're done. Okay? So let's start with this negative 5 first. Let's remove that because you don't want it in the way. Okay? It's negative right now. And the way to move it is to do the opposite. What's the opposite of negative? Add. You're right. No, you're right. Add. You're exactly right. So we're going to add an exact number to both sides to move. So put plus 5 right underneath. Under the negative 5. Okay. Plus 5 underneath it. The same thing. R. Separate the process. Okay. 12x. We didn't do anything to it, right? Mess with it. So it just comes straight down. Right? So I put 12x again. Negative 5 plus 5 is 1. So you don't have to write it. 0 means nothing, so we don't even have to write it. Equals comes down.
What's that hat all
The
about?
right side says 40. Again, we don't have to write the 0. Listen to what I'm telling you. Now listen. Equals. The right side says 43 plus 5. What is that?
48.
There you go.
And if
You
I'm
got the
right,
x. Okay. And so this statement here says 12x, but the operation that's happening is multiplication. So even though it says 12x, what it really says is 12 times. Okay? Understand it?
oh, I get it.
Okay. So what we just did before that,
We had to divide this.
Get your head of the game then already. All right, go ahead. So we'll That's fine. You put a 0 there. There's nothing wrong with that.
So the answer would be 4.
That's right. Okay, so what you did, effectively what you did is put that right here. So 48 divided by 12 is 4. Okay? Now what you did effectively was divide both sides by 4. Just like you did before. You added 5 to both sides. What you just did was divide both sides by 4. Now when you divide the same numbers like you did up here, you do the opposite, it just goes away. Remember, negative 5 plus 5 was 0. 4 divided by 12 is not 0, it's 1. The x just comes down at the okay. So put x in.
And 1.
Equals. Again, the process hasn't changed. Everything we're doing, we're just repeating the same stuff. Equals. What was 48 divided by 12?
48 divided by 12 is 4.
Then write 4. There's your answer. It's x by itself. That was the goal, right? We just achieved it. Now we know what x is.
Thank you. And that's X's value, right?
That's right.